Over 60? Think staying active is too tough? Think again. Discover 6 simple Japanese exercises that can boost your energy, improve balance, and keep you feeling young every single day. No gym, no fancy equipment, just a few minutes and a lot of benefits. Let's get moving. These exercises are designed with seniors in mind, so they're perfect whether you're just getting started or you want to enhance your daily routine. Let's dive right in. As we age, staying active becomes crucial, not just for our body, but for our mind too. In Japan, seniors have a secret: daily exercises that are easy to do and incredibly effective. The Japanese take their health seriously, and it's no surprise they have one of the longest life expectancies in the world. Today, we're sharing 6 of these exercises that you can start right now, right at home, to boost your mobility, flexibility, and overall well-being. Exercise 1. Radio Taiso. First up, Radio Taiso. This classic Japanese routine has been keeping people active since the 1920s. It's a series of gentle stretches and movements that anyone can do, even from a chair. This exercise is typically done in a group setting, but you can practice it solo, anytime, anywhere. Radio Taiso helps improve flexibility, circulation, and posture, especially in the morning. These simple movements are designed to get your blood flowing, your joints moving, and your muscles warm. Plus, they're a great way to start your day with energy and focus. And the best part? You only need 5 to 10 minutes. It's the perfect way to prepare your body for whatever lies ahead. Exercise 2. Japanese 3x3 walking. Next, we have the Japanese 3x3 walking method. Developed by researchers in Japan, this involves alternating 3 minutes of brisk walking with 3 minutes of slower walking. The cycle is repeated for about 30 minutes, making it a fun and easy routine for seniors to follow. This simple routine boosts cardiovascular health, strengthens legs, and improves balance. The key is to find your pace. You don't need to walk fast, just brisk enough to get your heart rate up. The beauty of this exercise is its simplicity, and it can be done anywhere, on your street, in a park, or even in a hallway. Exercise 3. Reiho, samurai-inspired movements. Ever heard of Reiho? This practice is inspired by samurai traditions, focusing on slow, deliberate movements like sitting and standing with control. These exercises emphasize full-body coordination, where every movement is intentional and controlled. Reiho improves flexibility, strengthens your knees, and promotes mindful movements. Studies show that just 5 minutes a day can significantly increase knee strength and reduce the risk of falls, especially important for seniors. These simple movements can also help you regain balance and reduce joint discomfort, especially in the knees and lower back. Exercise 4. Chair yoga. Chair yoga is perfect for those with limited mobility or anyone looking for a low-impact workout. It combines gentle stretching and breathing exercises, all while seated. This exercise helps improve flexibility, joint mobility, and mental clarity, making it ideal for seniors. Chair yoga allows you to stretch your muscles, improve circulation, and calm your mind without ever needing to leave your seat. These exercises also help reduce stiffness, increase blood flow, and promote relaxation, especially after a long day or when starting the morning. By focusing on deep breathing, you can also reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Exercise 5. Nishi Health System. The Nishi Health System is a unique set of exercises that includes movements like the fish movement, where you swing your hips side to side to improve circulation. This system was designed to activate internal organs and promote overall vitality. The Nishi Health System focuses on activating your internal organs and improving overall vitality. These exercises can help boost metabolism, enhance digestion, and improve energy levels. With regular practice, they'll make a real difference in how you feel throughout the day. Just like other Japanese exercises, this system is designed to be gentle yet effective for seniors looking to stay strong and healthy. Exercise 6. Shinrin-yoku, forest bathing. Lastly, let's talk about Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing. This is about immersing yourself in nature, taking in the sights, sounds, and smells of the forest to reduce stress and enhance your overall well-being. Spending time in nature has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce cortisol levels, and improve mood. Even if you don't have a forest nearby, you can achieve similar benefits by walking in a park or simply sitting in your garden. The key is to breathe deeply, engage with your surroundings, and let go of stress. Staying active doesn't have to be complicated. Whether it's 5 minutes of radio taiso, a brisk walk, or spending time in nature, every little bit helps. It's not about doing everything at once or pushing your limits. It's about consistency and making small choices that add up over time. Start with what feels right for you and build from there. Every step, every stretch, every breath is a victory. You don't need fancy gym memberships or complex routines, just your body, a little time, and the right mindset. And you know what? With just a few minutes each day, you'll notice real changes: more energy, better sleep, and improved mood. It's not just about staying active, it's about living well. So, take that first step. You don't have to do it alone. Join a community of people who are committed to making their health a priority, no matter their age. Remember, it's never too late to start. Your body is capable of amazing things, no matter your age. And while the journey may look different for everyone, the goal is the same: to feel strong, to live fully, and to enjoy the journey. So, what are you waiting for? Every day is a new opportunity to move, to grow, and to make progress. Let's make today the first step towards a healthier, happier you. No excuses, just results. Stay active, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay well. Join us next time for more tips and inspiration to help you live your best life at any age. Stay healthy, stay active, and stay well.